everyone! Welcome back. This is your video for rhythm lesson 2. Please get out your rhythm book and your pencil and we'll go through it together. It's really important that you did finish lesson 1. By finish rhythm lesson 1, I mean that you practiced it at least 15 times, okay, on your own. I would recommend doing 5 each day of class and then you're done. It's going to be great. If you do not feel comfortable with rhythm lesson 1 yet, please keep practicing that. That's the one you're going to clap and stomp for me in your check-in this week is rhythm lesson 1. So if you're still wanting to practice that one, that's totally okay. Once you feel confident with rhythm lesson 1, then you're ready to move on, and it's going to build off of that. So you need to be really comfortable with the vocabulary on this page, which shows you the whole note is worth 4, the dotted half note is worth 3, the half note is worth 2, and the quarter note is worth 1. If that's all pretty easy for you now, then you're ready to move on. All right, so here's rhythm lesson 2. I'm first going to read to you the vocabulary here at the top and the new note values. There's some new longer notes today, so we're going to learn about some of these longer notes, and then we're going to practice it together. So here we go, compound notation. When two notes are tied, the second is treated as an addition to the first. So we're going to do some basic addition today. So here, welcome to math class with Miss Rayburn. The first new note we have below, the rhythm value, is worth 5 beats. Okay, so you'll see that it's a whole note, which is 4, tied to a quarter note, which is 1. So when they're tied together, they are added together in rhythm. So we have 4 plus 1, which is going to be 5 beats. All right. Next, we have 2 ways of writing a 6-beat note. So a 6-beat note can be written as a whole note plus a half note tied together, or we can have a dotted whole note. Now, dotted whole notes are pretty interesting. You might not have seen that before. They're not very common because a lot of the time we only have 4 beats in our measure, so we can't even have a 6-beat note. We can only have 4 plus 2. So it's more common to see the whole note tied to the half note, but that's the same thing as a dotted whole note. So a dotted whole note is also worth 6 beats, as is the whole note tied to the half note. Next, we have a 7-beat note, and there's 2 ways of writing that. You can either do a whole note tied to a dotted half note, which is 4 plus 3, or you can have a double dotted whole note. Crazy, okay? So a double dotted whole note. I won't explain too much why that works. If you're interested, let me know, but it's a little bit confusing mathematically, but I can explain it if you're interested. The double dotted half note is worth 7 beats, okay? And then last for today, we have an 8-beat note. There are 2 ways of writing an 8-beat note. The first one is a whole note tied to a whole note. That's going to be 4 plus 4, which is 8. And then we have this lovely thing here, which I can't remember what this is called. It has an interesting name. I forget now, but it is another rhythm. So it's a whole note with lines on the end, on either side. You'll see that there. That is a rhythm that means 8 beats. So that's actually a rhythm longer than a whole note. So it must be like a double note or something like that. I'll look it up and make sure that I know for when I talk to you guys soon. So let's go ahead now and start practicing this together. So you'll see below, there's all sorts of different notes here. You want to kind of scan. Remember the bottom line here, that's what your feet are going to be doing. You'll see that the bottom note is the pulse. So the pulse in this rhythm, in this lesson, is still the quarter note. So we have a quarter note pulse, so our feet are going to be doing quarter notes, and our hands are going to be holding longer notes. I'm not going to, I think it's gonna be too confusing. I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna count. So for like the first one, I'm gonna do something like this. My feet are gonna be doing the quarter notes. And then we have a dotted whole note. So I'm not gonna say the names of the notes this time. I think that's gonna be too confusing. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to count the beats. I'm going to clap when there's a new note, okay? And I'm going to say the number of beats that it gets, okay? If I'm holding the note, I'm just going to bounce. So I feel the beat in my hands, but I'm not making any sound because I'm just holding it, okay? So, gotta plug in my computer real quick here. Please, please do get a music stand and have your music up on a stand while you go so you can look up nice and tall. And I realized we're not supposed to use the metronome for this. So I think in lesson 1 I did use the metronome. But for rhythm lesson 2, we're just going to do it with our own feet. And the point of this is so that we practice having a steady rhythm. The metronome can be really helpful, but also sometimes it can be like a crutch. And you can't be steady without it. So I want you to practice these rhythm lessons without a metronome. Okay. So here we go. Stomping and clapping. So first get the beat going in your feet. All right, you can be sitting down for this, but I think it's easier to do it standing up. So I'm going to stand up, and I suggest that you stand up. So here's the beat in my feet. The beat is steady. I'm going right, left, right, left, right, left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, I messed it up. That should have been 5, 6, 7. Let's start on those 3 quarter notes that are next. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1. Sweet. All right, that was pretty good. I started counting again with that on the 3rd line from the bottom. I mixed up that whole note tied to a dotted half note. So if you make a mistake, remember there's no problem with making mistakes. We're all human. It's just good to notice what your mistake was. So I'm going to take my pencil now, and I'm going to circle that spot, just so next time I notice that, oh, that was where I made a mistake this time. All right, let's do it again. Ready, steady, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did it again. It's so easy to do it. I'm just used to when I'm tying, that's what I'm counting, is I start over when I'm tying. But I think for this one it's good to keep going to 7. So let's try it again. 1, here's the beginning again. We're going to start over. All right. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, or 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1. Whew, almost got it that time. And then I tried to count the quarter notes as a dotted half. Whew, I'm a little out of breath there. lots of counting. I'm going to do one more time in this video, and then I want you to practice it 2 more times by yourself, okay? I think all of you can handle that. If you do want to practice it again with me, you can rewind it, of course, and watch it. But I want to keep these videos a little bit shorter. I think last week it was like 17 minutes, and that's pretty long. So we're already at 10 minutes here. Let's go ahead. This is going to be the last time on the video. I'm going to focus, super focus, and try to get it perfect. So wish me luck. Here we go. Last time for now, then you get to do it 2 more times to make 5. There's my beat, my feet. So my feet are doing the bottom line. My hands and my mouth are doing the top line. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1. Yes. All right, that one was actually really good. I didn't make any mistakes there, so if you do want to do it again with me, that would be the one I would do it again with. All right. Please let me know if you have any questions. This is what you're going to do for me next week. All right? And thank you all for being great students. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.